I want to confirm to each and everyone who is around here, those who are heckling, moving here and there. Ule jamaa wa Djibouti, you've been told that he attempted the coup d'etat in Ethiopia, and that's why he came back to where? Djibouti. For your information, Raila Amolo Odinga is the next AUC chairman from Mohamed Faki. I've heard people speaking here. I've heard people speaking here. Just give me time. Give me time. I've heard people speaking here talking about Yusuf Mohamed Ali. The guy spoke in Arabic. The guy spoke in French, of which most of us unasema unaongea. You are not a linguist. You are not a linguist. Raila spoke in English. That was hard with everyone. Hard with everyone from South Africa, Central, Northern Africa, and even in East Africa as a whole. This is a warning I'm sending to those who are heckling, saying that oh Raila ni matapeli, oh. Shut up your mouth. Raila is the next AU chairman. I'm repeating that, and I can take all time spreading the same gospel. He is going to be the AU chairmanship from 2025 to 2029. The seat is always a 4-year term. A 4-year term. So those who are saying that the race is there is a 2-horse race, it is a 1-horse race. Ule mwingine ni donkey. Ule mwingine wa Djibouti ni donkey. And then I've heard someone talking about Matiang'i. Anasema Matiang'i is the next president in 2027. My friend, stop daydreaming. Kama wakati Matiang'i alishikwa akapelekwa hapa DCI, nani alimtoa? He was held up in DCI for 6 hours. 6 hours without even speaking. Raila akatoka hata mpaka kaongea na Amin. Ndio Matiang'i kwa release. Let me give you information, bro. Let me inform you. Without Raila, hata Matiang'i angetolewa, akasikia maneno imekuwa hivi na hivi na hivi, akatoroka akaenda America. Then unakuja kutuambia huyu mtu mwoga hawezi kuwa president. I'm telling you this for free. After Raila has been sworn in as the AU chairmanship, 2025 February, we are going to celebrate, we are going to dance, we are going to sing. Thereafter, President William Samoei Ruto is the next president of Kenya, whether you vote or you don't vote. I'm telling you this for free. Tumesema amebaki America. Unasema anafikia atakuja hata hapa. Hata ingia hata kwa airport. He will not be allowed to step into Kenya. So let me tell you this. Ruto will be the next president 2027. With support of Mount Kenya or not, we are going to vote him in. We are si lazima Mount Kenya. Si lazima. Yes. Yeah, he will be the next president. Kama wakati moja niwaambie kitu moja. Let me tell you one thing. Wakati wa nyamaza, wakati Ruto alikuwa deputy president, watu walikuwa wanaongea dynasty, deep state, nini, tulikuwa na kibicho. As the PS of Interior, I was at Bomas, chenye ilifanyika Bomas, huwezi amini. I'm telling you for a fact, he is going to be the next president of Kenya, whether you like it or you know. Thank you very much.